Hey guys, it's Joselle and welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and right down below. Also, please like this video. Liking the video really does help with the algorithm. It helps my channel grow, so just help me a little bit and like this video. Anyway, let's get into it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my washing goes last. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So this is day one. My hair is still kind of wet here because I just got out of the shower. This is the day after I cut my hair. So if you want to see me cut my hair into wolf cut, I'll link that right up in the eye. It's looking good so far. Now on to day two. So this day I slept with a bonnet on, but usually I just sleep with the two scarves. But this is how I tie my hair. I split my hair into two sections, one at the top and one at the bottom, and just loosely put my hair into two ponytails. So then I very lightly hold this section, take out my scrunchie, and then just shake my hair. After a bit of shaking, I then take my hands to shape it the way that I want it to be. And this is what it looks like. So here you can see it much better because I actually opened the window, but my hair looks so nice. I love the way it looks. You can see there's a lot of volume. The reason why I split my hair into two sections is so that I'll have a lot of volume on the top, but still have a little bit of length in the back. And that's day two. Now here is day three. Again, I have my two silk scarves on my head and I'm just going to take those off. Same thing, gently holding my ponytail and then pulling my scrunchie out and just shaking my hair. Now I'm going to just use my hands to shape it the way that I want it to be. This is what the back looks like. As you can see, of course, it's not going to be as defined as it was day one, but the definition is still good enough for me. I still think it's given. And that's day three. So here is day four. Once again, I have my two scarves on. I'm going to take them out. Sometimes I do use a pick, but I usually just use my hands. It's just easier for me. This is what the back looks like. This is me forgetting what day it was. I'm like, what is today? Next up is day five. By day five, the sides of my hair start to lose a little bit of definition, but I'm okay with that. That's day five. Now here is day six. Same old, the scarf, the scrunchies, yada yada yada, shaking my hair, blah blah blah. Fluffing it out to what I want it to be. Can't really see, but that's the back. And that's day six, not day five. Anyway, day seven, blah blah blah. You've seen it before. You already know what's going on. Taking out the scarf, taking out the scrunchie, shaking my hair, yada yada yada. Then shaping it up with my hands. This is the back. And girl, it's not day six, it's day seven. Yeah. Today is day seven. Now on to day 8. So I wash my hair every single week, so this was wash day for me, but I just want to show y'all that the definition is still kind of given. Like if you really wanted to, you could push it a little bit longer. But anyway, I'm just putting my hair up into a light puff just so I can do some work and then wash my hair later. Also, if you want to see how I do my washing goes, I will link it right up in the eye so you can watch that after this video. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Comment down below whatever you want to comment down below. Follow me on all my social medias and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!